Hi there, welcome back to our channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Hotmail mobile application. So Hotmail is brought by Microsoft and it's currently rebranded as Outlook.com. So whatever, even if you search for the Hotmail, you'll end up you'll be redirected to the Outlook.com. So in order to log into your mobile application, we first need to download the application. As you can see, it's already on my device, right? So if you don't have an mobile application, you can simply go back to the Play Store and you can search for the Hotmail, and then you can download this application, which is called Microsoft Outlook. Okay, so the application is already installed. I'm simply gonna open the application by tapping this open. So let's get started by tapping here. All right, now you can put your Hotmail email address, which is mine is soiltesting22@outlook.com. all right, so it's okay even if you have like @live.com, or even if you have like @wipro.com, you can simply go ahead with that. So once you entered your email address, you can continue further. Now at this point you need to enter your password. All right, let me enter mine. Okay, so I'm done with entering my email address, I'm done with my password. Then I'll simply tap in sign in. All right, so like they are asking, would you like to add another account? I'll say maybe later. You can simply add if you'd like to add. So I also skip this step as well by tapping on this skip on the left side. Alright, so I just entered inside my inbox in Hotmail account, as well also known as Outlook.com. You can see the emails, right? So this is how you can log into your Hotmail account. So download the application, put your login details, and then you'd be simply able to log in to your Hotmail mobile app. Thank you so much for watching.